qualified to be heard on the motion to rehear.
Okay. Your Honor, if I may, I actually responded way before the 30 days. I got a call from your clerk's office saying that I had to actually come and fill out a piece of paper. So I wrote the courts and notified the courts, 3 days after.
Oh, you did file something like
3 days right after. And, my job.
Is that the motion before the court?
So he refiled some additional. So I think he probably was issued by filing something like sooner. He filed something on time.
Did you also file a notice of appeal? It says defendant files this notice of appeal.
Did you appeal?
Did you put it upstairs?
Yeah, I appealed it. I got a call from the courts, and they said, the clerk office, they said, don't worry about that. Just come down to the office, and there's fill out to get this agreement heard. Because when I called, there was a mix-up. So there was a mix-up between the November 25th date and the October 14th date. When I realized it, I called the clerk, and I immediately responded and mailed it off, and I got a call back saying, hey, you said that you filed a notice of appeal. It looks like you just want the case motion judgment set aside. So you have to come down here and fill out this payment. So I try to preserve my appeal rights because when I called, judgment was entered in my absentee.
Okay, all I know is, Your Honor, that he says that it was just a mix-up on dates, but he did obviously have the paperwork on this and has, I don't know about anything else that he filed in the notice of appeal. Please,
I don't want to, let's take one step at a time. I don't want to confuse you. Right now, you want to advocate her, you trust it, give you the chance to do so. So court is going to be 5/5/26 at 9:30, okay?
I've got 2/5, for the bill and do 3/12 for the answer.
So we said, 2/5
And 3/12. And I'm assuming the address is correct for purposes of screening the bill.
We want to make sure if they mail you a copy of anything.
May I excuse, I have and pass my climate doc and I have trials. I will be right back. Thank you.
So let me do what they're not doing, okay? Rather than having you set the trial, your request is made. When you come back to that trial on that May 5th court date, okay? When we come back to court, the famous 25 was called a bill of particulars, giving details of why it's doing, why you think it should be doing. You didn't have an obligation to file in writing or not. The document that was used, that's a template that you're free to use. There's a paper copy there. You can download it off the state website and type it in. You want to follow the clerk's office, and make photocopies, you copy to yourself, and mail the attorneys here for the actually in line. This address in East Rockville, Maryland, how do you follow this, okay? If they want to come back to court on that May 5th court date, get the evidence, take it to them, all right?
Your Honor, I don't think this court actually has jurisdiction to even.
Sure. If you think we don't have jurisdiction, you should file a motion to address that.
Well, the only reason I'm saying that, Your Honor, is because based on the basic complaint of the plaintiff, if you look at the contract itself already violates the state statute on usury interest. And then the VA Code 6.2-303, any interest rate that is charged above the legal limit of that principal or interest. The face of the complaint itself is evidence that the interest rate charged clearly violates the statute. So we want to reform it.
You agree to file a pre-trial motion to dismiss immediately?
Yes, I appreciate it.
Wait, you need to take inside that
All I gotta say is, I love the judicial system.
I know you're gonna. I got the good parts.
You got the good parts. It's not that the judicial system is not that bad when you understand what the Supreme Elite Team teaches. So I just left court. Westlake was suing me because they tried to say that. Remember when I got the Benz? I gave the vehicle back. So they waited about 90 days to actually pick up the vehicle from the dealership. And the dealership, we was on the phone with them at the dealership like, yo, come pick up this car. I don't want it no more. Voluntary surrender it. I just got the Benz. I don't want this no more. So they waited past 90 days to pick up the vehicle so they can cash in on the insurance, right? So then they try to say the vehicle has been repossessed because you abandoned it on the side of a road. I said, what? The vehicle sat at the dealership from February to May, and we had to virtually beg them, Westlake, to come pick it up. I didn't want it no more. So they sent me a letter saying that it's been charged off. And I told them, you're not getting a dime anymore from me. You wanna know why? Because I already called y'all. Y'all had already admitted that the insurance kicks in on the 91st day, and Westlake ceases to be the lien holder. But then they filed in court. So fast forward, November 14th, I had court. October 14th. I mixed up the date, and the judgment was entered in their absence. I immediately filed a notice of appeal because they enter a judgment in my absentee. The clerk calls my phone and says, nah, if you just want the case reopened, come down here and file a motion to set aside judgment. Cool. And the only reason why they got the judgment, because I had the court date mixed up. I thought it was November 25th. They would have never got that off if I was in court. So I get in court today. They called my case. And she says, Your Honor, I think I need to, I want to hear, it looks like he filed something on the case. I want to read it. So she said, took 20 minutes to file. I mean, not to file, to read. And what did she come back with, babe? Oh, it's like he filed this in November. It's untimely. It should be dismissed. He filed this on November. When was the last time he was down here? Like right before Thanksgiving? Something like that. He was supposed to do it November 18th. He was late. I said, Your Honor, I actually filed a notice of appeal 3 days right afterwards to preserve my rights. Number one, procedure. To preserve my right. Number one, procedure. And then I didn't even have time to get back down there till way past the 30 days to have the motion set aside. It was like 40-some days. And then the judge, what did the judge do, babe? He says, you know what? I'm still going to allow him to dispute the case. I'm still going to allow him to dispute the case. 41 days past. So what you're about to see is, I'm telling you, when you go into court, it's all about procedure and rules, and your ability to pivot. And the only reason why she wanted to bring up that is because she read that Scud missile and she did not want to argue it. So she already knows what's coming. Catch y'all later.